Have you ever wished there was a simple, straightforward way to start investing, even with a small amount like $20? Well, today, I'm here to show you exactly how to do that using Stash. Imagine being able to invest in stocks, ETFs, and even fractional shares with just a few taps on your phone. Sounds too good to be true, right? But it's not. Stash is a popular investment app that has made investing accessible to millions. It's designed to be user-friendly, even for those who are new to investing. So, let's dive in and see how you can get started with just $20. Getting started with Stash. Download the app. The first step is to download the Stash app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Create an account. Once you've downloaded the app, you'll need to create a free account. This involves providing some basic information like your name, email address, and date of birth. Link your bank account. To fund your Stash account, you'll need to link your bank account. This is a simple process that usually involves entering your bank account information and verifying your identity. Funding your Stash account. Now that you've created an account and linked your bank account, it's time to fund it. Stash offers a few different ways to do this. Direct deposit. This is the easiest way to fund your account. Simply set up direct deposit from your bank account to your Stash account. Bank transfer. You can also transfer funds from your bank account to your Stash account using the app. Debit card. You can add funds to your account using your debit card. Choosing an investment strategy. Stash offers a variety of investment options, including stocks, ETFs, and fractional shares. Before you start investing, it's important to choose an investment strategy. Here are a few things to consider. Your risk tolerance. How comfortable are you with risk? Are you willing to invest in stocks that are more volatile, or do you prefer safer investments like bonds? Your investment goals. What are you investing for? Are you saving for retirement, a down payment on a house, or your child's education? Your time horizon. How long do you plan to invest? If you're investing for the long term, you can afford to take more risks. Finding the right investments. Once you've determined your investment strategy, it's time to start choosing investments. Stash offers a variety of investment options, including Stash Beginner Portfolio. This is a pre-built portfolio that is designed for new investors. Stash Stock Only Portfolio. This portfolio is made up of individual stocks. Stash ETF Portfolio. This portfolio is made up of ETFs. Stash Fractional Shares. This allows you to buy small pieces of stocks and ETFs. Stash's features. Stash offers a number of features that can help you make the most of your investments, including automatic investing. You can set up automatic investing to contribute to your account on a regular basis. Fractional shares. This allows you to buy small pieces of stocks and ETFs. Tax loss harvesting. Stash can help you reduce your tax bill by harvesting losses. Educational resources. Stash offers a variety of educational resources to help you learn more about investing. Tips for getting the most out of Stash. Here are a few tips for getting the most out of Stash. Start small. Don't try to invest too much money at once. Start small and gradually increase your investments over time. Be patient. Investing is a long-term game. Don't get discouraged if your investments don't perform well in the short term. 1. BIGLEADmarketing.com. BIGLEADmarketing.com. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your portfolio by investing in a variety of stocks, ETFs, and other investments. Stay informed. Stay up to date on the latest news and trends in the investing world. With Stash, it's easy to start investing, even with a small amount like $20. By following the tips in this video, you can get started on your journey to financial independence. So, what are you waiting for? Download the Stash app today and start investing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.